Some reward apps use far less battery than others, because they focus on surveys, receipt scanning, or lightweight activities, instead of running graphics-heavy mobile games for long sessions. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps that are generally easier on your phone's battery, and which one fits the way you prefer to earn. Let's start with the lightest option. Number 5 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards mainly asks you to scan eligible shopping receipts after making purchases. The app isn't designed around continuous gameplay, so you're usually opening it for a few minutes instead of keeping your screen active for extended periods. Number 4 is Ibotta. Ibotta also centers on shopping rewards and receipt submissions. Most of your time is spent selecting offers before shopping and uploading receipts afterward, which typically uses much less battery than gaming apps. Number 3 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks gives you several earning methods, including surveys, shopping rewards, web searches, and promotional offers. If battery life is your priority, you can simply focus on surveys and shopping, instead of activities that keep your phone working harder. Now, let's move to the more flexible platforms. Number 2 is Cashkick. Cashkick includes surveys, offers, and selected mobile games. The advantage is choice. You can avoid battery-intensive games and complete surveys or offers whenever you have a few spare minutes. The top recommendation is Freecash. Freecash combines surveys, app offers, games, and other earning opportunities in one account. Because you aren't limited to gaming, you can pick activities that match both your available time and your phone's battery level. No matter which reward app you use, your habits affect battery life just as much as the app itself. Lowering your screen brightness, turning off Bluetooth when you don't need it, using Wi-Fi instead of weak mobile data, and closing unused background apps can noticeably reduce battery drain during longer earning sessions. It's also worth remembering that individual games inside reward platforms may consume much more power than the reward app itself. If one game causes your battery to drop quickly, or makes your phone hot, switch to another offer, or complete a survey instead. To summarize, Fetch Rewards and Ibotta are excellent for shopping-based rewards with minimal screen time. Swagbucks and Cashkick offer flexible earning methods beyond gaming, and Freecash stands out because you can choose lower power activities whenever you want. If you want to earn rewards without charging your phone every few hours, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, earning tips, and mobile money guides.